Welcome to the sandblasting pit. I'll make a video of the last bolts which I'm going to undo of the whole frame, which is the cross member, and don't have any bolts anymore left. The reason why I'm unbolting it is that there's a bit of rust under it, so I'm going to pull it apart, and also to actually find the original color, because under this, under the greenish blue and the green and the white, is the original color, which is yellow. So this momentous occasion, with the last bolt, hopefully will come loose. Hopefully, we can take the cross member off. Nut and bolt the whole frame. There is the cross member, which I'm going to take off now. And there is some kind of, I don't know, original color, which looks like a yellowish type.